Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create inner borders in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. Firstly, then I show that Google Sheet document from the text is the page this Google Sheets from the create inner borders. Now select from the position. Now for place, now select from the Google Sheets file. Now going to the menu option. Now click for the border menu option. Now click for the inner border option. Now for click. That's it. Then show the create inner borders in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.